Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Arina. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my recent haul from the Guardian 50% off. You know, I can't resist when Guardian have 50% off for all cosmetics. That is just the best and the good sales Guardian have to offer. So I have maybe like half full or maybe 3/4 full of this shopping bag. This bag is from Watsons. I got it for RM1 only. It's a recycle bag. So in here I have mostly cosmetics that are available in Guardian and some from Watsons. L'Oreal products are all 60% off. I also have one Sephora haul to show you guys. Let's start with the boring bits first. Let's get the boring bits out of the way. So the first thing that I got is a skincare actually. It's a moisturizer from Neutrogena. Oil-free moisturizer combination skin, and this is non-comedogenic. It says here moisturizes dry areas and controls shine in all areas. So I'm guessing this is for all skin type. I do have a review on this moisturizer way back like 4 years ago, and I will link it up here and down below for you guys to check it out. I picked this moisturizer because I'm almost finished my current moisturizer because I have like something going on my face. I have like hormonal breakouts on my jawline, so I decided to go for a like simple ingredient moisturizer that doesn't have fragrance or alcohol in it. So this is like my best choice, and I got it for RM20. I think this one was 40% off, which is awesome. And then the next boring bits that I got is a supplement. I've been taking this Cordell's vitamin C 1000 mg plus zinc tablet, always effervescent tablets. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this is it. I love this vitamin C because it tastes like a carbonated water. I have not consumed any carbonated water for a very long time, so this is like my guilty pleasure. And yeah, it says here no added sugar. I don't know about that because some company says no added sugar. Maybe they have a small percentage of sugar in that. Ingredients are ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, 1000 mg, and zinc sulfate. I always have very low zinc amount in my blood. Every time I want to do blood donation, I can't do so because I have a very low zinc in my blood. So I've been taking this one, and I'm hoping it's gonna help with my skin as well. Plus it has zinc. I heard that zinc helps in like reducing under eye circle as well, so it's like 2-in-1 for the skin, also for my health. I think that's all for the boring bit. So I will start with Watsons first because I only have 2 items from Watsons. Both are from L'Oreal because they have 60% off, and I have 2 of the newest product. One is eyeliner, matte signature eyeliner, and this I have in the shade brown signature 06. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's so bougie looking. The top or the closure here is actually plastic, but it's very cool and pleasing for the eyes to see. It looks like high-end product. So cool. It has a brush tip or a felt tip. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. Yeah, it's a liquid eyeliner. I haven't used liquid eyeliner in a long time. I always go for like this one, a brush tip eyeliner, but I'm excited to use this. And the other item is the Li Bar A blush, not sure how to pronounce that, monocolor powder blush, and I have in the shade 10, Play With Me. So this is what the packaging looks like. It feels very high-end and sturdy. Kind of reminds me of my mom's compact makeup or something. So this is what the color looks like. The sun kind of washes the color off, but it's a peach orangey color and so beautiful. I don't see any shimmer or glitter in it, and I hope it's a matte blush. It also comes with a cute brush here, so it's easy for you to touch up, and a very nice mirror in it. I love the gold accent on the outer parts here. I really love the details of this blush. It's so cute and looks high-end. So it kind of matches with the eyeliner. Both have this gold detail on the packaging. I think they like launched together or something because the packaging is similar. Okay, that's it for Watson. I'm gonna jump to Sephora haul because I only have one item from Sephora. I pick up the Marc Jacobs Accomplice concealer and touch-up stick. I have in the shade medium 33. Marc Jacobs product, like selected products, were 40% off. I don't know until when, that's why I picked this one up. I watched few reviews and people loved it. They use it for the under eyes and also like to cover imperfections on the skin because I have so many dark spots from my pimples, so I decided to pick this one up. The color looks nice on my skin. It doesn't look too light, so I'm hoping this one can cover my dark pigmentation on the skin, and the packaging is so sleek and nice. Okay, now let's move on to the All the Guardians 50% off sales cosmetics. First thing I picked up is this one from the brand Holika Jelly Dough Blush. I have this one in the shade Apricot Jelly. I have the other one, I think, in the shade Rose Jelly because I heard many people love it. I want to incorporate cream blushers more into my makeup routine because I'm always stay away from cream products. I wear a hijab and I'm afraid that it's going to transfer, and I hope this one dries down matte so that I don't have to set it with a powder blush. This is what it looks like inside. It comes with a puff. So this is the cover and this is the shade Apricot Jelly. So this is what the color looks like. All of the items that I show you guys today, inshallah, I will feature them in my future first impression video or makeup review or something like that. Next item is this one from Revlon. It's the new Revlon Photo Ready Prime Plus Mattifying Plus for Reducing Makeup Plus Skincare Primer. They just released this primer in Malaysia and they have actually 3 types, but I initially want to pick up the pink cap, but they don't market it in Malaysia, so I only pick up this one because the other one is like luminizing or something like that. And then the next item I picked up is from the brand Silky Girl Fix It Liquid Concealer, and they only have 3 shades. Number 1 is light and I picked up the shade 202 natural, and the other one is 03 medium. And because the lighting in Drugstore or Watsons or Guardian are not that great, I mean, like, you can't really see the actual color of the product based on the lighting in the store, so I just pick up the second shade because I'm afraid that the third shade is gonna be too dark. Because I saw Nina Khairudin review this concealer in Silky Girl Instagram page and it has a very nice coverage, so I decided to pick this up. Silky Girl is known for its very affordable price and plus 50% off, which is like a very great deal. And I also pick up their new matte styler slim lip color, these two in the shade Boho 02 and 01 Sleek. I want to test out the formula and apply it on my lips and see if I like the formula or not. The other bits are all from Catrice. If you don't know, I am a very big fan of Catrice cosmetics because of their affordable price, because of their product quality, their product variety, and the packaging is so cute. And I pick up quite a few of items here. So the first thing is Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I actually have the old version of it. I don't know, I am not sure if they changed the formula or something. The packaging of this one looks nicer, especially the cap part. It has like a heartbeat line or something. It has a rose gold cap and I have in the shade Nude Beige. The other one I don't like it because I pick up the wrong shade. It's like too light for my skin, and I hope they change the formula because the previous formula, every time I apply it under my eyes, it kind of looks dry, and yeah, it kind of dries on like a weird patch under my eyes. So I hope they change the formula. And then the next item I pick up is the Catrice Glow Illusion Loose Powder Translucent Radiance. So I've been following Sayla. She is a content creator from South Africa. I will try to link her channel below. So she said that she loved this powder from Catrice, so I decided to pick this one up. Or before COVID-19, I did swatch this powder and I think it has a tiny bit of like micro glitters. That's why they name it Glow Illusion. The other one is, I can't remember the actual name, but that one has a matte finish and a white powder which has like a translucent finish to it. So this one I think has a glowy finish, so I can't wait to use this one. And then the next item is a primer, Catrice Hydro Plumping Serum, 1.5% hyaluronic acid. The ingredient is very simple: aqua, panthenol, castor oil, and this one does have fragrance. I love the packaging, it's so simple. It's like a clinic item. It has a dropper. The texture from what I can see in the bottle is like a thick liquid. And the next item, I actually picked this one up from Rimmel. This is the only Rimmel product I have here. This is the Brow Pro Micro. I already finished my previous one and decided to replenish it because I love the formula so much. Okay, we only have 3 items to go. So the first one is the Catrice Addicted to Chai Latte Face Palette. I haven't opened it, so everything, the swatches and my review try on will be in another video. So this one, you'll get a free lip cushion. So the packaging is like this. It comes with a sleeve. I'm sure I'm gonna throw away the sleeve. So in here, it has a mirror. The packaging looks so nice. It has four pens, 1 blush, and the other 3 are highlighters. But at the back it says 1 blush, 1 bronzer, and 2 highlighter in 1 palette. I don't see any bronzer that I can use. This one is a bronzer shade, but I don't think I will use it as a bronzer because it looks shimmery. But the blusher and this highlighter looks nice. I think I can use this one as a blush topper, or maybe use this one as a bronzer topper. And then the lip cushion looks like this. This is in the shade, let me see, 060, What Happened After Midnight. So it comes with a sponge applicator, and maybe you have to twist it to get the product out. And the next 2 things are palettes, also from Catrice. This one is new to Guardian, like the newest collection. This is Addicted to Berries eyeshadow palette, and this one is Addicted to Chocolates eyeshadow palettes. They have 4 different eyeshadow palettes. The other one is Spice, Addicted to Spice or something, and the other one is Fruits or something like that. It has blue, greens, and like bolder shades. So I pick up the more wearable shades. This one, the Addicted to palette, is the most wearable out of them all. You also get a free lip cushion. This one is in the shade 040 Absolute Raspberry. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. Comes with a sleeve as well, and the description is at the back. And when you open it up, it looks so pretty. It comes with a mirror, a nice size mirror. I can see my whole face in it. So this is what the shades, it's the most wearable shades that you can think of. So I just wish they have a deeper shades, or maybe a black to deepen the eyeshadow look. But overall, this eyeshadow looks nice. I can't wait to use it. It somehow reminds me of Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette because it has like gold frames on the eyeshadow pen and also the name at the bottom. And then the last thing is the Addicted to Berries eyeshadow palette. Also comes with a sleeve, and this is what the shade looks like. It's a nice wearable berry tone eyeshadow palette. Also comes with a free lip cushion. This one is in the shade Coraline's Crush. In the store, you cannot swatch any of the items because of COVID-19. I can only like see the color. Thank God they display the palette, but it's covered with plastic like this, so you can only see the shades but you can't swatch it. So I can't wait to use everything in my future video and give you my first impression and thoughts. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Everything that I have here, if I find the link, I will leave it in the description box below. Let me know if you pick up anything from the recent sales. And I heard that Sephora is going to have 20% off entire website on the 1st of September for Gold Card member, and for Black Card member, the sales will be on the 2nd of September. So I have something on my mind. I'm not sure if I'm going to get anything because I already purchased the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. And that's it for today's video. If you love makeup tutorial, makeup hauls, makeup review and everything like that, please subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of that. I try to upload at least once a week, and if you love today's video, please give it a thumbs up because that helps me a lot for YouTube to push my video forward. And thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye. Assalamualaikum.